Okay, so I've been shooting guns for a little bit over 3 years, and I think that I have become decent as a marksman and in my knowledge of firearms and the whole sport. I call it the sport of shooting. When I come to shoot, I'm not necessarily coming. Some people say, oh, they go into the range so they can relax or burn off some stress. I don't need to burn off stress here. I can go do some yoga, go some meditation, go do 10,000 other things to blow off stress. When I come here, it's because I'm training, because I want to become the best marksman that I can. So I'm training. I'm trying to stay acclimated to my firearms. I'm trying to get my shot consistent. And so, in order to be good at something, well, no matter what it is, you have to train. You get good at yoga, you have to train. You get good at shooting, you have to train. And coming to the range and just shooting from this perspective, shooting straight out like this is just one aspect of the training that I do and that I do with other people. Okay? So when I'm training, what am I looking for? I want to make sure that I put my finger on the trigger properly, right? I don't want to put too much of my finger in. I want to bring my finger back, and I want this part of my finger, this part towards the tip, not the tip of it, but that fleshy part right there. I want that to be against the trigger. The trigger has, you see this trigger? You see it has a black and it has this red. That red is the safety. If I didn't pull that back, the gun would not fire. So my finger has to be on there to squeeze that and allow it to go in, so that's going to allow the gun to shoot. So I'm always practicing my finger placement on the trigger. If I put too much finger on the trigger, if I put my finger all the way over to my left, the gun is going to tend to go over like that to the left. If I have this much movement of the gun to the left, I might miss the whole paper altogether. So I want to keep the gun in its proper place. And I want to point my red dot at the target, at the part of the target that I want to hit, and I want to keep it there. And I want to reacquire my target after each shot. So I don't want there to be a lot of time lapse between my shots. So I want to put my shot back onto target, back onto target. So the gun is going to move a little bit, but to recoil, I want to reacquire my target quickly. Okay? So when I grip it, I'm going to, because I'm right-handed, I'm going to put my right hand all the way up behind the what's called the beaver tail, this part here. Put my hand all the way in there. I'm going to take my three amigos, my three fingers, and they're going to hold it, and my trigger finger is going to be here along the slide, not on the trigger, but along the slide. Okay? And then my thumb is going to be relaxed and out of the way. I take my grip hand, that's my support hand. I'm not going to cup it like a teacup. I'm going to wrap it around and support my other hand. And then my thumb or my support hand is going to come in there and sort of hold down the gun to try to reduce my recoil. My other hand, I want my thumb to stay out the way so I don't interfere with the movement of the slide. Okay? So I want to see what I want to shoot. I'm coming from a ready position. I'm seeing what I want to shoot. If I have a target, So I got all of those shots within an acceptable area, range. You want to get most